Hello, I'm Hannah Groh, and I will be presenting Healthy Work Environment for my second presentation in Nursing 340. For my CUSIN topic, I chose quality improvement. Quality improvement is to use data to monitor the outcomes of care processes and use improvement methods to design and test changes to continuously improve the quality and safety for healthcare systems. To have a healthy work environment, the healthcare facility must always strive to become better and have a higher quality of services. This means nurses should value local change to improve their work environment so it creates joy when working. I chose essential number 2, which is the basic organizational and systems leadership for quality care and patient safety. The essentials is defined as knowledge and skills in leadership, quality improvement, and patient safety, which is necessary to provide high quality health care. All of these aspects combine together to make a work environment healthy, and with a healthy work environment, a higher quality of health care is provided to the patients we take care of. Things that must happen to have a healthy work environment are critical. Employers must direct their attention to improving the workplace, not only for the patients, but also for the staff. A healthy work environment can have a positive impact on staff satisfaction, staff retention, improved patient outcomes, and organizational performance. Reducing patient to nurse ratios can also improve the outcomes. Problems and issues can happen, and that can create an unhealthy work environment. These issues include workload and staffing, insufficient supply of qualified managers and experienced staff, increased market demand, and inappropriate staffing. The work environment is a significant contributor to the difficulty in recruiting and retaining nurses. If a workplace has a bad reputation of a negative environment for whatever reason, whether it can be communication, bad management, high stress, discrimination, they will have a difficult time recruiting and keeping registered nurses that they have. There are different ways to assess the work environment, and one way is to use the REAL indicator. REAL stands for Relative Environment Assessment Lens. So this is used to assess the specific issues of the clinical area and identify opportunities for improvement by recording trends of the staff's answers. So what this is a 6-point numerical scale that is associated with visual images, kind of like the face pain scale. It has a feedback section which allows the staff to put their input on specific challenges and solutions for a positive work experience. This assessment tool is a valuable means to understand the impact of the environment, identify opportunities for improvement, and to recognize the importance of teamwork and interdisciplinary collaboration to support excellence in the clinical delivery of care. National initiatives have been undertaken to promote positive and safe work environment for nurses. Nursing Organizations Alliance developed its principles of elements of a healthy practice and work environment. This provides a framework for organizations to improve nurses' teamwork environments. There's also the American Association for Critical Care Nurses, which promotes a healthy work environment as one of their 3 major advocacy issues, and it has developed standards along with measurement tools, kind of like the REAL indicator tool I just mentioned. The Joint Commission also noted more than a decade ago that if the staffing levels and work environments are not safe for the nurses, they will not be safe for the patients. So overall, we need to promote workplace safety and workplace environment to be positive so that we can better take care of our patients and have a safer environment. And this is my reference page. Thank you.